So let's say I have Bitcoin. Can I buy stuff on Amazon with Bitcoin?
Not necessarily yet. Like Amazon directly doesn't let you do it, but you could use like a third-party Chrome extension, for example. There's CEOs I've interviewed in my podcast. MoonPay is a good example, where they plug into like your Chrome browser and they kind of like overlay on top of Amazon. And what they do is when you go to checkout, you pay MoonPay. MoonPay converts it to dollars, and then MoonPay pays for the order for you. So there's a lot of situations like that where there's use cases that kind of find ways to get over that hurdle. But eventually, Amazon will accept it. Once the market gets big enough, you cannot.
So I was a car dealer in my previous life, and can you buy a car with it?
You could. There are a lot of those Bitcoin, Lambo, Maxi individuals out there that made a lot of money, and then they would go to like Lamborghini or Ferrari, and they'd buy themselves a Lamborghini or Ferrari. You can't just walk into a dealership and buy a car, but it's up to the dealer. Like some of them do it. You just have to find them, and they're online.
So basically, it's just an investment tool right now, right? I buy low, sell high, hopefully.
Yeah, right now, I think most people see Bitcoin as a really good investment vehicle and asset and store of value than they do as a payment method, simply because no one has started to accept it. Like it's not broadly accepted.
So I personally prefer to have physical gold and silver, but I can't go to Safeway with gold and silver. So it's similar to that, right? It's a store of value that hopefully will be better than paper when everything explodes.